Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, hopefully solve it, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is 1678, goal parser interpretation. So I'm going to read out the description. You own a goal parser that can interpret a string command. The command consists of an alphabet, G, left bracket, right bracket, and or left bracket, AL, right bracket, in some order. The parser will interpret G as G, left bracket, right bracket as a string O, and left bracket, AL, right bracket as a string AL. These strings are, the interpreted strings are then concatenated in the original order. Given the string command, return the goal parser's interpretation of command. Okay, so this would be G, this would then be O, and then this is AL, so goal. Okay, that seems simple enough. I'm going to switch over to my notes. So, ideas. I'm also just going to copy over one of these commands. So, given this example, I'm just trying to think how I would do this in my head. I think we would have a pointer. That would check whatever the first character, current character is. If the current character that you're on is a G, then go to append G to the concatenated string. So first of all, iterate through items, or iterate a pointer through letters. If letter at current pointer is G, then add G to the output string and move pointer along one. If current letter is left bracket and the current if letter at current pointer is left bracket and the next letter is a right bracket, then add O to the output string. Then the last thing we're going to do is if letter at current pointer is left bracket and the next is now I'm going to go back to the constraints here. It actually says command consists of G, left right bracket, and or this. So you only really need to check these first two. That's how you know it's an AL. As long as these two, it starts with left bracket A. That's how you can differentiate them. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I didn't really look at the constraints. So the only other constraints is it's between 1 and 100. So if it's a right bracket and the left bracket and the next letter is an A, then add and move pointer along to, because there's two items, there's the left and the right. In fact, we don't even need to. Do we need to do that? We can. It wouldn't really matter if we move it along one or two. We'll just say that for now. And move pointer along to add AL. Sorry. Just gonna put these in quotes just to make it a bit clearer. Okay, so sorry, this is all I added here. This is what I ended up with. So iterate through a pointer through the letters. So the letters here are going to be command for letter pointer and range length of letters letters letter underscore pointer is equal to G, then output dot append we're going to append G, and then we're just going to do if letter underscore pointer is equal to this. We're also going to do this if we're going to check the next one. Letter pointer plus 1 if that's equal to this. Then we're going to do output dot append O, and then we can actually just do else because that's the only other command here. Else output dot append AL, and we need to define output. And I think that's all that needs to be done. We'll return output and hit run. For letter pointer and range, it's not letters, sorry, it's command. Okay, let's try this. String object has no attribute append. I think it's just plus equals, right? Okay, what did I get? Hmm. This should be indented one. There we go. Yep. Submit. Perfect. So that got accepted. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope this was useful to you in some way. Even just seeing someone else's thought process behind solving one of these questions. If you have any other sort of solution that was maybe a bit more efficient, please leave a comment down below. I love discussing these problems. And yep, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.